Good morning, Foray. Today is Wednesday, the 10th of June, and I'm wearing a hat because I've run out of colors to wear. So I think today we should have like a funny hat day. I don't really have a funny hat, but you can just wear any hat to the meeting. All right, good. Right, so let's start talking about what you're going to be doing today. Your first lesson today will be maths. In a maths lesson, you've already learned about fractions and how to add them and subtract them. So this time, this lesson is going to be focused on problem solving, including involving a fraction. So you will be solving problems that will include fractions. All right, your second lesson will be science. In science, we'll be learning about, again, pitches. Remember pitches, how low or high a sound can be. And you will be learning about how to change a pitch of a sound. Okay, what are the ways of changing the pitch of a sound? How high or low it is. For both maths and science, answer keys provided, nothing to submit on Dojo, and then you will have ICT. I know many of you have been looking forward to this lesson, so yes, it's another Scratch lesson, and this time you will be coding an actual cartoon with characters. Please, guys, don't forget to stick to exactly the same characters and backgrounds as in the video, coded in exactly the same way. There will be a lesson, guys, don't worry, when you will feel free, or I will give you the freedom to use whatever you want, but for now, just follow the instructions. We're still learning about Scratch. And your fourth lesson will be art with Miss Yelena, and then it's PSE. Those students who have PSE, we will learn about how to listen to other people's opinions, how to consider their opinions, and how you can politely disagree with someone and express your own opinion, which I think is very important. And the last lesson is English writing. There will be a submission on Dojo, so you have 2 folders for tomorrow. It will be a summary. So basically you will read about the Wizard of Oz, and you will have to write a little summary about that, okay? Remember, summary is something really brief. Remember what we did last time. Every paragraph was summarized into 1, maximum 2 brief sentences. So that's how you will try to summarize your text. Anyway, the riddle for yesterday was what can you not eat for breakfast? And the answer I was looking for was you cannot eat lunch and dinner for breakfast, okay? Because you eat your lunch and dinner at lunch and dinner time, so not at breakfast. Let's take a look at some of your answers. Samiha, lunch and dinner. Celine, lunch and dinner. Kusai, the same. Saif, Arush, Ryan, Mariam also. Zohaib. Okay, guys, the same answers, either Googled or copied from your friends. Lunch and dinner, lunch and dinner. Okay, we have Isita commenting spoon and fork. Okay, so Isita really gave it a bit of thought, which is great. Guys, as I said, there is absolutely no point in Googling the answer because you're not using your brain. And number 2, there's absolutely no point in copying your friend's answer because, again, you're not using your brain. And the reason why I give you the riddles is that I said this like a million times, it's for you to use your brain. It's for you to start thinking, and it doesn't matter how ridiculous or wrong your answer is. I accept all answers. All right, good. So that's for yesterday's riddle. Today's riddle is, let me see it. Okay, all right. If you throw a blue stone into the Red Sea, what will it become? Once again, if you throw a blue stone into the Red Sea, what will it become? Please. Oh, I became stuck for a second. Please comment under this post. And as usual, I'm going to tell you an inspirational quote that I found very helpful and nice. Right. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Okay, that's a very nice quote. Okay. So, guys, a lot of times we dream about a change, okay? We would like to make the world more peaceful, or we would like to change the world into a more environmentally friendly place. Um, so we always dream about how we would like to change this world, how we would like it to become a better place to live. However, just wishing for it will not really get us anywhere. You must try to be the change you want to see in the world. So if you really try to make this change, that's when the change happens, okay? So, as they say, if you want to see more peace and less war in the world, find more peace and less war within yourself, your family, or your community. If you want to see more health in the world, take care of your body and be healthy yourself. So, if you want other people to be good to each other, polite, peaceful, no fights, then it must start with you. You must be the one to show them the example of that. All right. And that's what I think is a really nice thought. Our meeting today is going to be in the last period. We have English together. So that is at 1:25. Our meeting today is going to be at 1:25 in the last period. Okay, great. Looking forward to seeing you all. Have a great day. Bye bye.